Hello. Yeah, you have to be friendly to people on the road. You know, the road is not for only you to use, you get. It's for everyone with a license. As long as you pay your road tax, you're insured, so that, you know, you don't meet people, because we have a lot of miscreant driving. So not everyone have a license, you know. So you always have to protect yourself at all time. Protect yourself at all time. The responsibility of the driver is the responsibility of the individual driving the car, if you get what I mean. Cheers. That's what going. Yeah, let's have fun. Let's have fun. Nice places, nice crib, nice sun, nice weather, nice country. You know, nice people, nice inhabitants, nice dog. See people walking down the street, not feeling threatened by the way I'm driving. You see, that's what driving is all about. When you're driving, you need to be observant. Oh, how is my driving going to affect this person? How is it going to affect that person? You know, that's just how it's meant to be. Because at the end of the day, man, your responsibility is in your hands, you know. Yeah. And the last we know, you know, for you to drive a car, you have to be somewhat, you have to have some qualities of an adult. You get what I mean? Because anything that happens, you have to take the responsibility, and the sole responsibility by you and only you get. So yeah, nice people. Everyone just saying hi to me today. Thank you, being friendly. That's nice. Okay, you look left, you look right, you look left, there's a car coming. Look, be observant, remember that. Be observant, remember that, and you move. Yeah, 30 miles per hour. So what do? We observe it. Whatever you do, make sure you're not driving more than 30 miles per hour, because you know, sometimes a lot of people tend to get carried away when you're driving, going with the flow, nice breeze, you know, everything, and you just feel, oh, you just forget about the pedals, and you just keep matching and matching, like, now I'm carried away. Oh, I'm going 40 on the 30 miles per hour road, so I slow down. These are common things that make people fail the driving test, you know. Little mistakes like this. And you know, the funny thing about driving lessons is, you know, when you, oh, that's an animal, you see, animal friendly. See what I was talking about? Oh, lovely animal. Yeah, very important, you know, very important. See that bird eating? So when you drive in a funny way, you also affect other lives as well, because at the end of the day, this planet Earth, you see, for the fact we have roads don't mean we should start inconveniencing other lives as well, because other lives, they all have things to experience as well, you know. Same way human beings are experiencing things, same way other lives on Earth should experience things. And when you want to have all the experience on your own, depriving them from their experiences, that becomes greed, cheat, becoming a cheat, you know. So you see, driving takes a lot of things. You need to put a lot of things into consideration, you know. 30 miles per hour road, I'm getting carried away. Common mistake we all make. That's why almost everybody fail a driving test. Common mistake. 4 minors leads to 1 major. 1 major leads to failure in your driving test. You need to be aware of this. Always aware of this. And when you're driving, always observe. Look at your mirrors, you know, over your shoulders if need be, because there could be a stray bike just coming from your side. Some people are mad, you know. Not everyone is sane to drive, you get what I mean? So basically, just how you should look at it. When you're driving, assume everyone on the street is a madman. Yeah, everyone on the street is a madman. You are the only sane person driving. So what do? Doctor driving on the street with lots of patients. Doctor need to give good example. It's a therapy, you know. Driving is a therapy, you know. So yeah, that's it really. We're stepping into nature again. When you see all these trees everywhere blocked up, and it just makes me look like I'm in the 70s, you know. In the 70s with nature and everything, you know. I just feel like these trees are talking to me. Drive safe, bro. You're driving good. Keep it up. Now we're going to 50 miles per hour. You build up your speed a little bit, and here we go. Whew. Whew. Yeah, I got a passenger behind, you know. He's almost sleeping. Good driving, you know. It's called executive driving. You get what I mean? We got the Formula 1 drivers. We got the road drivers. Though they're all road drivers, we got the executive drivers, you know. Those drivers that will drive you and you won't even know when you're sleeping. You get what I mean? That's who I am, you know. When I drive, I give you rest of mind, make your heart rate pump the normal way. You have rest, you know. That's it. Build up good energy. I mean, so you see, when I was talking about being carried away, you see the way that car is driving in front of me. It's come down to 40 miles per hour, but he's speeding. But sometimes a lot of people tend to forget or ignore the speed limit and go on a steady pace, following the car in front of them, forgetting that the car in front of them could be doing the wrong thing. Remember I said, everybody is a madman. Everyone on the street is a lunatic. You are the only sane person on the road. Always have that at the back of your mind, you know, because there's some wicked people. You can be doing your driving test and, you know, some people are out to make sure you fail. Trust me, there's some wicked people around, you know. White, black, pink, everybody comes in all race, number, color, everything. It's not limited to one person, you know. That's human nature. Not all human beings are some human beings, your failure is their happiness, you know. So you need to be wary of all these things. Otherwise, you're gonna get yourself worked up, and that's why you see a lot of people get involved in all this road rage and things like that. You get, and it's so sad that this costs some people's lives as well. You see. So yeah, sometimes in life, man, they say, in my country, they say everything jeje, 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 jeje. Yeah, for those who don't know me, I'm from Nigeria, you know. So yeah, that's how we say everything slow and steady, you know. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't need to rush. Where you rushing to? Life is too short to rush, you know. You need to take your time, observe everything, feel it in your system, you know. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, another thing I want to make clear is the roundabout. So roundabout is on the roundabout, you only have one chance. Either you pass it or you feel it. You see? So now I have to wait because people coming on that side, they've got the right of way, and you know how we do, safety first. So it's clear, so we move. Because the Audi moved doesn't mean I move. I need to be sure it's convenient for me, not for her or him. You feel what I mean? Remember, everyone's driving is different. Our reality is different. What she sees is different from what I see. And right now I see the motorway, and she sees something different. You know what I mean? So yeah, build up your speed, indicate, look at your blind spot, and you enter into the place, but you need to give the car in front of you a bit of distance. Yeah, blind spot, and you overtake. You feel me? Give that distance, give that distance, give that distance. Motorway is a place, you know, everyone can drive on the motorway. Some people have got phobia to drive on the motorway, you see, because of the high speed, everyone moving, woo, 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 everybody just in a hurry and things, you know. But yeah, I don't know, it looks like I'm talking rubbish, you know, but I know somebody out there is listening to me, and you know, someone understands what I'm saying, because failure is not for anybody, you know, but success is for everyone. You get, sometimes when I'm driving, for me, I just reason about things, you know, that are happening in the world, you know. It's a good time for me to think. It's like a therapy for me, you see, because when you look at what's happening in the world today, you hear about a lot of death case, people dying, coronavirus, you know, bringing hardship on businesses, people. It's just so crazy, you know. But the problem is, how are we gonna get out of this? How are we gonna get out of this with everyone happy? Because you see, even with this vaccine, not everyone is really happy about it. Some people want it, some people don't want it. So how do we get through all of this without anyone having something to say? You know, getting out of this with everyone being happy. Oh yeah, this was done, that was done, that I'm very happy. It's crazy, you know. Human beings are very difficult to satisfy, you know what I mean? So looking at what's happening in this world today, it's crazy. But one thing I know is this, yeah, with the changes happening, it's very clear that, you know, there's something changing. Whatever it is, I don't know, but there's something changing. It's like people are becoming aware of so many things that wasn't even known to people. Is becoming so much in their eyes now and on the face, you know. So it's like, and sometimes we all know that too much knowledge can be a problem. When everybody knows everything, it's like you can't really tell anyone what to do and what not to do, you know. I think that's a major problem sometimes. But yeah, that doesn't drive us away from the fact that, you know, this period in time, it's like we're seeing things we've never seen before, you know. And I just pray that, you know, we get out of this happily, you know, without, see the roundabout again. Yeah, that's how you drive. So I've missed my way, so I'm gonna go around the roundabout again. No need. Some people want to just force themselves in, but you can be forcing your life away, you know. So sometimes in life you go around again, and now I'm taking this exit side. Yeah, I've got you right now. So that's how the life is, you know. Driving sometimes is just patience. Don't need to be in a hurry. Yeah, back to what I was saying about the world, you know. So it's like a lot of things, and you know, sometimes when we hear people talk, it's not like the Prime Minister is even helping things, or the people in power are helping things, because the news sometimes confuses us. Do this, don't do this, do this, don't do that. But if you listen to everything they're saying, they're telling you to do everything and not do everything and do everything again. So it makes everybody confused, you know. That's why you see sometimes it's crazy, because I can relate it to driving as well. You do everything, but you don't do everything. You drive fast, you don't drive fast. You drive slow, you don't drive slow. But there's something that limits everything. It's the limits on the road, speed limits and everything, you know what I mean? So you add everything with what's going on in the whole world. Is the same thing, just in a different way, you know. We have to be focused, focus, 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 focus. And we have to know that we learn every day. Learn every day. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, and you know, because sometimes in life talking as well, I'm gonna beat this anyway, but sometimes talking as well can make you forget yourself, you know. It's just crazy, man. Sometimes thinking about this makes me sick, but it's all good. So yeah, we're driving somewhere in England, and yeah, it's a good day today. And like we would say in Nigeria, I can't shout. We cannot shout. Can you shout? We can't shout. Yeah, roundabout. So yeah, notice how the driving is, you know. So maybe when next my man gives me an opportunity to drive again, I can really take you through driving from start to finish with the laws in place and everything, you know, because right now I'm driving, just feeling the whole atmosphere and everything. But then I'll be driving and showing you everything in details, you know, speed limits, how you indicate, checking your blind spots, how you observe your mirrors, you know, keeping your distance, you know, even going as fast, you know, showing you how to examine your car before you move. Because sometimes in life, some people don't realize that you need to check your car every day before you step out of the garage or wherever your car is parked, you know. And that's why you see some people just drive, and in the motorway you see maybe their car begins to overheat, or something just happens impromptu. Plan, focus. They lost the focus. The focus is driving safe, and driving safe means you need to be sure your car is safe to be on the road. It's not just by having MOT. You can have MOT today and your car is a mess tomorrow, you know. So that's just the whole stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna park a little bit, and I think I'm getting tired now, so I want to, you know, park, stand up, feel myself on my feet a little bit so I don't feel too sleepy. A lot of people try to fight this, you see. Oh, I'm a driver, I'm gonna drive you to the end. And sometimes some drive and they just sleep on the road and cause major accidents, and people coming back from home rushing to go pick the kids up. We end up being stuck in traffic for over 2 hours because of someone's stupidity, you see. So that's why I said, you know, in this life, you know, you need to be focused and consider other road users, because you're not the only one using the road. You've got people who play, people who drive, people who are on bicycles, people who are on scooters, people who are just having a good time, you know. I don't know, man, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the driving today, and yeah, See you another time.